The materials that we need for this long model are a plastic bottle, a balloon, and a thumbtacks. The first step is to put the balloon inside the bottle. The next step is to make a hole using a thumbtacks. This part is essential because the hole will serve as the mouth, the bottle as the body, and the balloon will represent the lungs. To make the long model work, we need to inhale and exhale. When we exhale, the pressure in the bottle increases, and as you can see, the balloon decreases. While we inhale, the pressure decreases and the volume of the balloon increases. This demonstrates that pressure and volume is inversely proportional to each other.
So let us now move on with the Charles Law. But before proceeding with the actual experiment, let me give you a brief explanation on what Charles Law is. So basically, Charles Law explains the relationship between a volume and the temperature at constant pressure. It also states that gases tend to expand when the temperature rises and it contracts when the temperature is being cooled down. It also states that the number of moles in the gas must remain constant. So let us now proceed with the actual experiment. For the first step, we'll need to blow up a balloon. Next up, let's boil some water. After that, let's prepare some ice. Once the water starts to boil, let's put in our balloon. Notice that the balloon expanded once it touched the boiling water. Now, let's see on what would happen when it touches the cold water. Let us now put the balloon in the cold water. See how the balloon contracts when it touches the cold water? And that's how Charles Law worked. Thank you!
With Gay-Lussac's law experiment, what we'll be needing is some water, a cup, a container, and some candles. Next is we have to stick the candles in the center of the container using its wax for it to be stable and not fall down. Here, we'll be pouring about 1/4 of the container with water. And now we will carefully place an inverted cup to the burning candles. And here's another point of view to see it clearly for you to observe what will happen. To briefly explain what happened, when we cover the candle with the glass, the flame hits the air inside, making the pressure go up. But when the flame goes out, the air inside goes down and the pressure drops. Since the pressure outside the glass is now higher, it pushes the water up into the glass. This all happened because of Gay-Lussac's law, which states that when the temperature of a gas goes down, the pressure also goes down, as long as the volume is constant.
Hi guys! So ang law na pinili ko ay Avogadro's Law. Ano nga ba ang Avogadro's Law? It states that the volume of a gas is directly proportional to the number of moles of gas when the temperature and pressure are held constant. In words, hindi ko rin siya gets. Kaya magpapakita ako ng experiment sa kung saan makikita natin siya na kung paano nga ba siya nag-work. And yung experiment na to, madali lang siya kasi yung mga materials na gagamitin ko, makikita lang siya sa loob ng bahay. Tulad na baking soda, yan. And then funnel, vinegar, and balloons. So, bago yon, syempre, hindi naman maayos ang itsura ko. Kaya magpapalit muna ako. Yan, sinuot ko lang naman yung lab coat, then nagsalamin ako. For protection, kasi hindi ko alam kung anong mangyayari. So, ano nga ba gagawin ko? Ito. Napakita ko ba to? Parang hindi. Pero ayan. Sana napakita ko to kanina. Kasi kailangan pala nito. So, ang gagawin, ito, empty siya ha. Wala siyang laman. Dapat wala siyang laman. Sorry. Ayan, dapat wala siyang laman yan. Wala nang laman yan. Then, ito, suka. Lalagyan natin sa loob. Pero bago yun, a-adjust ko yung camera. Diba? Saan ka nakita ang tapang-tapang ganyan? Ito. Para di nyo makikita yung kalat sa likod. Lagyan natin ng suka. Suka ito. Di pa alam ni mama na gagamitin ko. Record. Di ko alam kung gano'ng kadami, pero okay na siguro to. Baka wala na kami pang adobo. Baka daldal, di naman kailangan nun. Yan. Medyo okay. Kung hindi gagana, di dagdagan, di ba? Problema ba yun? Balloon. Ito rin yung ginamit kong balloon sa experiment nung una. Yung ilalagay mo sa rep, ganyan. Yan. Baking soda ito. Lalagay natin sa loob. Di ko alam gaano kadami ilalagay. Pero lalagyan ko na lang. Hindi ko alam kung mangyayari yung nangyari rin dun sa pinanood ko. Pero sana kasi paano naman maging successful, diba? Tingnan natin na yan, the moment of truth. May suka. Kung hindi gagana, problema yung hayaan ko lang. Tapos, diba ito yung balloon. Tapos, ito yung bote na may suka. Ang gawin ko daw, hayaan ko raw malaglag yung baking soda sa loob. Ano nangyari? Ay, ayan! Umaano siya. Yung balloon, nag-i-inflate mag-isa. Ayan o. Lang galing. Wow! Ala! Puputok yata to. Ayun siya, nag-inflate siya. Nangastig. Pero ayan, nakita niyo naman ano nangyari. Successful first try. Yan. So, lesson learned dito, kung hindi maintindihan through words, maintindihan natin through visualization. Ayan po. So, ayan po ang, anong tawag ulit sa law na ito? Avogadro's Law. Ayun. Thank you, guys!
And now, let's move on to the last law, the ideal gas law. According to the ideal gas law, gas particles have no intermolecular interactions, move freely, and have very little volume. The law offers a foundation for understanding how gases behave in different situations and may be applied to determine a gas state when certain factors such as pressure or temperature are changed. And now, let's move on to the experiment.
First step is you need to put a hole on the bottle cap. For the second step, put the straw into the hole. Make sure that there is no gap to avoid air going into the bottle. And for the last step, you need to rub your hands to warm the bottle and put it inside the water upside down. And you'll notice the bubble rising. It's because of the bottle's temperature. And as a result of the temperature shift, the gas will come off from the straw.